The benefits of solar water features. If you are a keen gardener, you have probably come across solar water features. Below we look at some of the benefits of using them in your garden. As the experts are shouting louder about environmental meltdown, the amount of solar products on the market over the last few years has significantly increased. This is not only good news for those of us who are determined to be greener within our everyday lives, but also for those of us wanting a larger range of products in general. For the gardeners out there, the range of solar products for garden use just gets bigger and bigger. Below we take a closer look at some of the benefits of using solar water features. There are plenty of different innovative solar water features on the market, so what are they and why would you choose them? Solar water features are usually placed in the garden and involve using the power of the sun to move the water within the feature. They are normally powered by a little pump which derives its energy directly from a photovoltaic cell which converts solar power into electricity. Differing water features which are suitable for solar power usage include cascading waterfalls and fountains. The benefits of using solar-powered water features include an environmentally friendly way of enjoying garden water features. The constant relaxing sound of running water to be enjoyed throughout the sunny days when you are in your garden. Versatility in the number of different materials the feature can be made from, ranging from terracotta to metal. No mains electricity supply needed, and so no strain put on electricity bill. An easy way to brighten up a corner of your garden, decking, terrace, balcony, or patio. Many solar water features are self-contained, which means that you recycle the same water over and over again.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.